our 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 53¼ inches, a depth of 19¼ inches, overall height 43 inches tall with legs, and minus the splash, we have a height of 36 inches. Included for each compartment will be the sink strainer and stop. That's included for the first, middle, and left bay of the sink, along with the faucet. Faucet will measure at least 9 inches for the left and right mount, along with 8 inches for the spout. The measurements for each of the 3 bays will be 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, overall height of 9¾ inches tall. Left and right drain boards, with each drain board measuring 10½ inches in length by 16 inches in depth. And located on the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.